Hi friends, welcome to an incredible journey into the heart of India's most sacred and awe-inspiring tradition, the Kumbh Mela. Have you ever wondered what drives millions of people from across the world to gather by the rivers, seeking redemption and divine grace? Today we will unravel the mystical origins, the celestial myths, and the profound spirituality behind this grand festival. So, sit back, close your eyes, and let your soul be transported to a world where faith meets eternity and legends come alive. Kumbh Mela, a divine saga of faith, myth, and spiritual awakening. Beneath the vast skies of India, where rivers flow like lifelines through its sacred soil, unfolds a celestial drama every few years, a festival of faith that transcends time and space. Kumbh Mela, the largest spiritual gathering on earth, is not merely an event. It is a living testament to humanity's eternal quest for the divine. This sacred congregation has its roots in an ancient myth, carrying a message of hope, unity, and salvation that echoes across millennia. The mythical origins, a battle for immortality. The story of Kumbh Mela begins in the realms of cosmic legend, the tale of the Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean of milk. Long ago, the Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, were locked in a fierce rivalry. The gods, weakened by a curse, turned to Lord Vishnu for guidance. His advice was both profound and perilous. Churn the vast cosmic ocean to obtain Amrit, the nectar of immortality, but share the task with the very enemies they sought to defeat. Thus began an alliance fraught with tension. The mighty Mount Mandara served as the churning rod, and the great serpent Vasuki became the rope. The Devas and Asuras pulled with all their might, creating waves of both chaos and miracles. From the depths of the ocean emerged treasures and terrors alike. Divine beings, precious gems, and the deadly poison Hala, which threatened to destroy all of creation. It was Lord Shiva, the great ascetic, who saved the universe by drinking the poison, turning his throat blue and earning the name Nilkanth. Finally, after immense effort, the celestial physician Dhanvantari emerged, carrying the golden Kumbh pot of Amrit. But this was not the end of the tale. As the Devas and Asuras fought for the nectar, a few drops spilled on earth, sanctifying 4 sacred places: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These sites became eternal pilgrimage destinations, their rivers believed to hold the power to cleanse sins and grant liberation during the Kumbh Mela. The spiritual heart of Kumbh Mela. For centuries, Kumbh Mela has drawn millions of pilgrims, saints, ascetics, and ordinary seekers alike, towards its divine embrace. It is a journey of the soul, an act of surrender to the cosmos. The rivers, shimmering under the morning sun, seem to call out to the faithful, "Come, shed your burdens, cleanse your sins, and be reborn." The festival is not merely a ritual, it is a profound spiritual awakening. The sight of saffron-clad sadhus meditating on riverbanks, the chants of ancient mantras echoing through the air, and the millions of devotees taking their holy dip create an atmosphere charged with divinity. The essence of the Kumbh Mela lies in its promise of moksha, freedom from the cycle of life and death. The 3 faces of Kumbh. Kumbh Mela occurs in 3 forms, each unique in scale and significance. Kumbh Mela. Held once every 144 years in Prayagraj, this is the rarest and most auspicious gathering. It represents the ultimate alignment of celestial forces, drawing unparalleled numbers of pilgrims. To witness a Kumbh is to step into the pages of history itself, where devotion reaches its zenith. Purna, full. Kumbh Mela. Taking place every 12 years at each of the 4 sacred sites, this gathering marks the completion of a zodiac cycle. It is a grand celebration of spirituality, offering devotees the chance to bathe in rivers infused with divine energy. Ard, half, Kumbh Mela. Occurring every 6 years in Prayagraj and Haridwar, the Ard Kumbh serves as a spiritual interlude, a moment of renewal for those who cannot wait for the full cycle. Each version of the Kumbh carries the same essence, a call to immerse oneself in the sacred waters and emerge transformed. Lessons from the myth. The tale of the Samudra Manthan is not just a story. It is a metaphor for life's eternal struggle. The churning of the ocean symbolizes the duality of existence, the constant tug-of-war between good and evil, light and darkness. It teaches us that patience and persistence, even in the face of great challenges, lead to divine rewards. Lord Shiva's sacrifice reminds us of the power of compassion and selflessness, while the spilled nectar serves as a reminder that even amidst chaos, there is grace. A festival beyond borders. Kumbh Mela transcends religious boundaries, drawing people from all walks of life. It is a moment of unity, where millions come together to celebrate the divine, regardless of caste, creed, or nationality. For the ascetics, it is a time to share wisdom and practice austerities. For the common pilgrim, it is a journey of devotion. For the observer, it is a glimpse into the soul of India, a land where spirituality flows as freely as its rivers. Conclusion: a timeless pilgrimage. Kumbh Mela is more than a festival. It is an eternal dialogue between humanity and the cosmos. From the mythical churning of the ocean to the modern-day gatherings, it remains a beacon of hope and faith. The rivers, imbued with the nectar of immortality, continue to call out to the seekers of truth. Come, immerse yourself, and find the divine within. As the sun rises over the sacred waters and millions bow their heads in prayer, one thing becomes clear. Kumbh Mela is not just an event. It is a timeless saga where the myth meets reality and the soul finds its way back to the divine. So, if like this article, please like, subscribe my channel Stories and More, and share to others, enabling me to bring more and more such interesting facts for you in future. Thank you for watching.